would like to introduce DMZ tour and Majang Lake. Here is the DMZ Park. This park is the last park from the South Korea. Then after this area is civilian control zone. So which area is controlled by military base.
Is looking forward to like that. He is praying like big bow. No internet, no telephone, no Facebook. Right? That's why for a long time we never find each other.
The first destination is the third infiltrate tunnel, which is discovered in 1978.
The entrance for the tourists. Going down about 350 meters, but 10 minutes going down, and then go to the real tunnel for 380 and just come out. That's our mission. But it's very deep, 70 meters deep underground.
This tunnel, 30,000 armed forces can move in an hour. So luckily we discovered this one. Here is Dorasan Observatory. You can see North Korea view. You also can see the propaganda village in North Korea and Kaesong Industrial Complex, which is co-working area. The last stop is the Tongilcheon Unification Village. You can see the souvenir about here. And lunchtime, this is for the lunch today. The bulgogi was very yummy. You may enjoy the Korean food. After lunch, the afternoon tour started. We are visiting to the Majang Lake and Suspension Bridge, which is 202 meters long with a really nice view around the lake. And to cross the bridge, you can walk a little bit about the lake trail. The last destination will be the coffee shop, which is the botanic coffee shop. It's very beautiful. Oh, we are here in the Orangjuri coffee shop. You can get a little bit relaxed and refreshed. But thank you for watching this video and see you at the tour